Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Few cars have captured the spirit of 1950s America quite like the 1955 Ford Thunderbird. It wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of freedom, style, and sophistication. Today, we're taking a deep dive into this American icon, from its head-turning design to its surprising performance. Let's take a closer look at the classic that started the Thunderbird legacy. Exterior. The 1955 Thunderbird debuted as Ford's answer to the Chevrolet Corvette, but it took a different path, more luxury cruiser than sports car. The exterior is a masterpiece of mid-century automotive design. Up front, you'll find that wide egg crate grille flanked by large, round headlamps that give it a distinctive, friendly face. The hood scoop hints at performance, while chrome accents stretch along the body, catching the light in all the right places. This convertible features a removable fiberglass hardtop with iconic porthole windows, though those wouldn't be standard until 1956. Out back, bullet-style taillights and modest tailfins remind us this car was made during the golden age of American design. It rode on 15-inch steel wheels with full chrome hubcaps and whitewall tires, pure elegance from every angle. Interior. Step inside the Thunderbird, and you're transported straight back to 1955. The interior was all about style and comfort. Bucket seats were upholstered in vinyl, available in a variety of two-tone color options like red and white or turquoise and black. The dash is a beautiful sweep of chrome and painted steel, with a large 5-gauge cluster set behind a thin, elegant steering wheel. It came standard with a telescoping steering column, push-button interior lights, and even a tachometer, unusual for a car focused on luxury. Optional features included power windows, a signal-seeking radio, and even air conditioning, which was rare in the mid-50s. Overall, the cockpit was snug but refined. More of a personal car than a family cruiser, and that was exactly the point. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. The 1955 Thunderbird wasn't just about good looks, it had muscle under the hood. Power came from a 292 cubic inch Y-block V8, known as the Thunderbird Special. It produced 193 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. You had two transmission choices, a standard 3-speed manual or a Ford unmatched 3-speed automatic. 0 to 60 miles per hour came in around 11 seconds, not blistering by today's standards, but impressive for a luxury roadster in the 1950s. The car used independent front suspension and drum brakes all around, which were typical for the era. More importantly, it was smooth, quiet, and handled surprisingly well for its size, giving drivers a feeling of control and confidence. The 1955 Ford Thunderbird wasn't just a car, it was a cultural statement. It combined performance, style, and luxury in a way that few cars of the time could match. It marked the birth of the personal luxury car segment, a class of vehicles built not for racing, but for turning heads and cruising with grace. Only 16,155 units were made in that first model year, making it a true collector's dream today. Whether you admire its iconic looks, appreciate its refined interior, or love the sound of that V8 under the hood, the 55 Thunderbird is a timeless symbol of American automotive history. If you enjoyed this walk down memory lane, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more classic car reviews. Got a favorite Thunderbird generation? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.